Talk about some of the new equipment, some of the changes we're making in the Lansing metro area. The new Allp 2, which is going to replace the older style Allp, which is our descender. And for the Lansing guys, we're going to transition to the same personal shunt that the folks in East Lansing, Meridian, and Delta have already transitioned to. Probably going to buy these personal shunts, less this lanyard. Probably going to stick with our old shunt strap and carabiners. We'll show you how that works in just a second. The Allp 2 works the same way as the other Allp. We are not going to worry about this handle in technical rescue. That's designed for something else. But it feeds around, your rope feeds around that, just like in your other one. The only difference here is you have to make sure that your rope feeds on the back side with that center pin in there to both of these bobbins. So your new shunt, pretty fireman proof. It's got up, that goes up, pin lock, you drop your rope in to it, line up the holes, drop your pin back through it, and you're ready to go. And it operates the same way as our other shunt. Just slides up and down the rope. Now we're going to show you the Allp 2 used as a haul system, where the Allp is at your anchor point, kind of acting as your fixed pulley and prussics. Set all the way to the red. And you can see the Z-rig configuration. It gives us a 3-to-1. Dave and Kevin, pull up the load. Now it's all the way red. No matter what they do, let off on that, guys. The load is always locked off. So now if we want to reset, all we have to do is go out to the end, move our prussics forward, we'll reset, and we can raise the load. Call again, please. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay. Now we've raised the load. It's locked off. The only thing to do to transition to a lowering device, take your carabiner off, remove your pulley, and take your prussics out of it. Step back here to your Allp 2. And we're ready to lower. Just go green just like you would if you were rappelling. Put that loop in there the same way as we're rappelling. It literally takes 15 to 18 turns before you get any resistance. And now we're lowering the load. If I want to break the load, all I have to do, just like when I rappel, and that's all there is to transitioning from a raise to a lower. And now we're going to show you how to use the Allp as a top belay device. It's anchored up top. It's all the way red on the dial on the device, and I'm ready to go over the edge. On belay, Dave. All he has to do is feed the rope through the device. I'm on belay. Because it's all the way red, should the load fall in, the device will pick up the load. So those are the 4 ways that you can use the Allp: as a top belay, as a raised device, as a lower device, and then as a traditional descent device as in a free rappel, like we've always done.